Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Rishika. I make bookish and lifestyle content. So if those things interest you, please do consider subscribing. You'll have a lot of fun here. You can also follow me on my Instagram. I do post a lot of stuff there and I believe you'll have a lovely time and we'll enjoy quite a lot. So, to be honest, I have been missing for quite a few months. It actually has been a very long time since I've posted anything. But that is because I was in college. I started my first year as a college student, and I was not having enough time to shoot and then to edit the videos and then to upload it. So, I decided to give it a break, and now my first year has been completed. I had my exams last week and they have been completed, and now I'm back home. But you may also realize that the background has changed. That is because my parents had transferred from Faridabad to Kolkata. We now live in Kolkata, and this is my new home. This is where I'll be staying, and this is where I'll be creating content, where I'll be shooting videos. So for the next few months, I will be posting videos because I have a long vacation. So I'll be posting, I'll be shooting, I'll be editing, and everything is there. And I believe you'll have a lot of fun. So just keep on watching, keep on supporting me, and that is all I want from you guys. So the last time that I did a haul, it was in the month of May. That is May of 2023. It has been over a year that there has not been any videos on my channel and that there has been no haul actually. But it has not stopped me from buying books. I have bought quite a few books over the course of a year, but I was not able to share them with you because I was in college, and filming in a hostel room with roommates is difficult, and also editing the videos when you have college assignments, you have friends to enjoy with. So I did not shoot videos, I did not post videos, and I'm really sorry for that, but I think I'm going to be regular from now on. So today's video is going to be a haul. It is going to be a haul of all the books that I bought over a course of a year. I bought quite a few books, but it is really less in comparison to what I used to buy before I went to college. Because before I went to college, I had a lot of time in my hand, and I did not have anything in my life that I had to do every day. I was in vacation. So I used to get a lot of time to read. I used to read a lot of books in a month. But since I joined college, it has not been the same. My reading speed has slowed down. I am not able to finish books as fast as I could. And that is not an issue. Reading books is not a competition that you have to finish 11, 12 books in a month. It is not a competition. You always read at your own pace. So I have read books. It is not that I have given up on reading. I read a lot of books. I enjoyed my time with books a lot during this 1 year, and I'm going to share everything, every bit of my journey with you guys. My college started in August, and this was the first book that I bought after my college started. I always have a habit of writing my name and the date that a book was bought inside the book. So this book was bought on 21st September. My college started in August, and this was the book that I bought in September. It is Flawless by Elsie Silver. I will be giving a review of all the books that I've read over the course of this year in a separate video. Probably the next video itself will be a review of all the books that I've read. So you'll get to know how much I liked this book, or whether I even liked it or I did not like it. You'll get to know everything about this book in the next video. But we should continue with this haul. This is the first book that I bought. This is Flawless by Elsie Silver. You can screenshot it if you want. I bought this from Amazon. The retailers were Cocoa Blue retailers. I really trust Cocoa Blue retailers. They never give fake books. So this is one of my first buys during my college time. Now moving on to the next books, I bought actually 3 books from Amazon because there was a sale going on Amazon and I just couldn't resist myself. I bought 3 books from Amazon in the month of October. The date is 14th October. The first book that I bought is Verity by Colleen Hoover. I have completed reading this book and the review will be shared soon. The next book that I bought is Better Than the Movies by Lynn Painter. There was a comment in my previous videos suggesting me to read this book, Better Than the Movies by Lynn Painter, and I was influenced by that comment and I bought this book. I am currently reading this book, so I think you will get a review of this book very soon. You can see the bookmark. This book was also bought with the same book. It was bought with Verity. So the date is the same. This is 14th October. I bought this from Amazon Coco Blue Retailers. And the third book that I bought is The Inheritance Games. I currently do not have the book. It is with my sister. So if I get the book, I'll show you guys in the next video. But currently I do not have the book. I have completed reading The Inheritance Games also. It is by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. So I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly, and I'm sorry if I'm not. So now let's move on to the next books. In the month of October, towards the end, I had come home from my college. I had taken leave and I came home. So my mother gifted me two books during that time. The first book is Twisted Love by Anna Hong. If you follow Bookstagram, if you follow BookTube, I believe you have seen this book 1,000 times. This is a really popular book on Bookstagram and BookTube. So this is Twisted Love by Anna Hong. And the next book that my mother gifted me was Final Offer by Lauren Asher. This is the third book of the Dreamland Billionaire series. I have read the first book, which is the fine print of the Dreamland Billionaire series. There is also a monthly book review about that particular book, so you can check that out. I will pin it in the I button here or here, and I'll also write it down in the description box, so you can check my video. And this is the third book of the Dreamland Billionaire series. These books are actually standalones. They are not interconnected to each other, so you can read them in any order you want. So I have not yet read the second book, but I read the first and the third book. I hope to read the second book really soon. Actually, when I went to Crossword that day, the second book was not available, so I just decided to buy the third book. So this is the second book that my mother gifted me, and the fifth book that I bought after my college started. After October, I did not buy any book in the month of November, and in the month of December, I decided to buy books. Actually, it was gifted to me by my sister. I decided to get a few books in the month of December towards the end. So after almost 2 months, I bought a new book, that is Twisted Games. It is the second part of Twisted Love. Basically, the Twisted series has 4 books. The first book is Twisted Love, second book is Twisted Games, third is Twisted Hate, and I think the fourth, I'm not exactly sure about the name. It is Twisted, what can it be? I think it's Twisted, I'm not sure, I can't recall the name. So basically, this is the second book in the Twisted series. This is also by Anna Hong. This was a book gifted to me by my sister. The date is 23rd December. So this is the next book that I got. And my sister also gifted me another book, that is The Family Upstairs. But I do not have the book with me right now. I have kept it in a locker in my college itself, because I have not yet read the book. So I decided to keep it there so that the next time I go to college, I'll be able to read it. So there were 2 books gifted to me by my sister during the month of December. Now let's move on to the next books. I'm really sorry about the confusion. I had actually forgotten about a book that I bought in the month of November. The book is Noora and the Immortal Palace. If you can see it. Yeah. Noora and the Immortal Palace. This is by M.T. Khan. This is a really pretty book. Like, you can see, it is so beautiful, and like, see this. It is so pretty. This girl, I believe, is Noora, and This is so pretty. This is so unique, and I really loved this book. There is a bookstore in my college campus. So I went to that bookstore and I saw this book. It was the only piece that was left in the store, and I immediately bought it because of how beautiful this cover is and how unique it is. Because I have never seen a book which has a hole in the middle and then the background is something else, and it is really beautiful. So this is Noora and the Immortal Palace. I bought this on November 3rd from the bookstore in my college. So for those who don't know it yet, my college is in Chennai, and then in the month of January or February, I think it was in the month of January, that there was a book fair in Chennai. So I decided to go to the book fair and buy a few books. I think I bought 6 books, 5 or 6 books. So the first book that I bought is Restore Me. I am trying to read the Shatter Me series since a very long time. I have read 3 or 4 books in the Shatter Me series already. This is, I think, the fourth book, or if you include the novella, this is the fifth book. It is Restore Me by Tara Mafi. I read this book and I loved it. I'll be giving you a review very soon. So this is the first book that I bought from the book fair. Ignore my nails, they are really bad. I'll I'll do something about them. The next book that I bought is Find Me. Find Me is a novella. It is really short. It is after Restore Me. Find Me has 2 novellas. That is Shadow Me and Reveal Me. Shadow Me is supposed to be read after Restore Me, and then we are supposed to read Defy Me, and after Defy Me we are supposed to read Reveal Me. So I have read half of this book, that is only the Shadow Me part has been read. I'll buy the book Reveal Me, and then I'll be able to read this book. So now moving on to the next, we have One of Us is Next. You might have seen me reading One of Us is Lying. That is, I think I read it in the month of May, probably May, I'm not so sure. You can check that out in my page. I'll also link the video. So this is the next part. This is not connected to it at all. This is a standalone, but the characters are the same. This is the story that has happened after a few years of the first book. So the characters are the same. You will be able to meet the characters that you met in the first book. So this is really nostalgic. This is by Karen. I am really sorry, I cannot pronounce the name. You can read it here. This is One of Us is Next. The next book I bought is this. This is Forest of Enchantments by Chitra Banerjee Devakarni. This was in my TBR for a very very long time. I just wanted to buy this book and just wanted to read it. This is such a beautiful book. This is the story of Sita in the Ramayana. Basically, this is the story of Ramayana from Sita's perspective, whatever happened in the Ramayana, but it is written from Sita's eyes. So this is such a pretty book. It is by Chitra Banerjee. You can definitely check this out. The next book that I bought was Icebreaker by Hannah Grace. This is also a very very popular book on BookTube and Bookstagram. So if you are following BookTube and Bookstagram, you have seen this book 1,000 times. This is a very very popular book, and you will definitely be getting a review of it. So I think that is it, or do I have something else? Yes, I have this book. This is The Final Curtain by Kiego Higashino. I am really sorry about the pronunciation. This is actually a Japanese author. This is a book that I've never seen anywhere. Actually, when I finished my first year, I thought of gifting myself something because I finished my first year. So I bought this book a few days ago. I bought this on, I think, 21st May. That is not very long ago. It is just a week ago. I bought this book. It is The Final Curtain. It is a murder mystery kind of book. So you know that I like thrillers and murders. So this is definitely something I would love. This is a huge chunky book and floppy book. So I gifted myself this book just last week, and I have not yet read it. I will read it very soon, and then you guys will get a review. So I think that is it. That is all the books that I bought over the course of a year. I know it is really less to be over a course of 1 year. I think it is really less, but you can understand that I was in college and I did not have a lot of time to read the books. So definitely the number of books are going to be less. But I hope you stick around because I have 2 months of vacation and we are going to enjoy a lot. We are going to read a lot. We are going to have a lot of fun during these 2 months and even after that. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and also check out my other videos on this channel. I will pin them in the I button and also in the comment section, so definitely check those out. And I am back on YouTube now. I will be posting videos regularly and I hope you support me. Love you guys. Bye.